we're going to start the process of bidding out for the improvement of the stations for this year. So there's budget allocated. For that, we're going to find out exactly how much we have for this year, and we will use the model station of SM North EDSA and SM Mega Mall as the model station, and we will replicate those in all the other 21 stations. There are 23 total stations. SM has already generously given us 2. They fixed up 2, and then we will add another 21 for the other stations, using that as a model. Papaspasan natin yan, no? Hopefully, we will be able to award these contracts by, they will just have, these engineers just have to do the final designs and specifications and the engineering plans. But hopefully that will be finished in a month or 2, so that by May, we can already start the bidding process for the construction and rehabilitation of the stations, no, modeled after the SM stations. Maybe we can award by June or July. Hopefully by this time next year, around February, March next year, bago na yung mga stasyon natin sa busway natin, and mas magiging maaliwalas ang pakiramdam ng ating mga commuting public sa busway.